We'll guide you through how to make a 3x3 piston door in Minecraft, and this will work in Bedrock and Java. First of all, break one block down and go and place your piston and place another on top of it like so, and then go and place 3 along just like so. And then what you need to do is go and stack up by 2 blocks just like so. I'm using iron, but you can use another block. And then what you need to do is go and do the same shape as sort of mirrored above, and then stack up on both sides and make a bit of a circle. It should be looking like this. And then what you need to do is go and stack up 3 blocks just like so, and you can then go and break these two. And what you want to do is then go and place a piston beneath that like so, and go and make them 3. Then what you need to do is come on either side and do 3 blocks like so, on both sides like this. And then what you want to do is break 2 of them, and then go and put a sticky piston facing inwards, just like this. What we need to do is start connecting this up. So first of all, go and put 3 bits of redstone down like this. You can also break the blocks next to the pistons on the left and right as well. And then what you need to do is go and place some more redstone here. And now you need to go and start sort of building up to the piston. So place 2 blocks like so, then 2 on top of each other, one next to it. So it should look like this. And then we need to go and put the redstone up to it. So just like this, put some redstone on top of that piston there. And then what we need to do is sort of make some stairs so we can go and get up to these top pistons up here, just like this. And then make a row along like that. And then what we need to do is come down so we can get to this piston here. You can break the blocks which you don't need, so it should be looking like that. And what you want to do is go and connect the redstone up as well. Come back down here just like so and break 2 blocks. Place a repeater in here and click on it twice. Then go and place some more redstone. And you want to break this block here and put some redstone there. And then what you want to do is place some redstone here. Now what you need to do is place another repeater and open it up twice. And go and connect it with redstone. Go and break this block here. Place another in front of it though, and then 1 along. 1 on top, and then 1 along again, and break that one there. And then with the redstone, place 2 bits like so. Then what you want to do is come round to the front like so, and place 1 block in the top corner, and then place another off of it. And then what we're going to do is make a circle around it essentially, remove the corners, and then all you need to do is go and grab a lever, place it down like here, and click it once, and that block should go up. Press it again, and they should then all go and open. And I'll go and press it again, and they'll all go and shut.